Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna start with Java programming. Our first topic is the structure of a Java program. Basically, the structure of a Java program consists of 6 different parts in which 4 are optional and 2 are essential. And they are the package statement, the import statement, the interface statement, the class definitions, the main method definitions, and main method class definitions. Now let us start with the package statement. This is the first statement in any Java program if needed. This means the program which you have developed requires any package, then the programmer should include a package statement. This statement actually tells the compiler, which compiles the Java program, that the classes defined here belongs to that particular package. However, this statement is the optional one. Now let us understand about the second part, that is the import statement. The import statement tells the interpreter, which is also known as compiler, to include the classes from the packages defined. This is usually the second statement after the package statement. If the package declared, but it should be written before defining a class, there may be number of import statements. Hence, this statement is also optional. If your program requires any package to be imported, then you must include the package statement, else it's not a compulsion. Now let's come to the third part, which is interface statements. The interface statements define the method declaration without body, which means that the interface statement allows us to declare a method without writing any code in it for its subclasses to provide the implementation for them. This is also an optional statement because interface statements are only required if your program needs to implement a particular interface. Now let's come to the fourth part, which is class definition. This section consists of number of class definitions, where each class consists of data members, also known as members of a class. There are basically two types of class members: member variables and member functions. We will discuss about the classes in detail in the next topic. This is also an optional statement because you no need a class to declare any small program. Now let us understand the fifth part, which is main method class. This is an essential section of a Java program. Every Java program must have a class definition that defines the main method. Now the final part, that is the main method definition. This section is also compulsory because the main method is the starting point for running of a Java standalone programs. This is also the same scenario with any C program or C++ program. Always the execution starts from the main method. Whatever the order of classes or interfaces that are to be implemented or functions given in the main method are implemented in the order which they are given in the main method. The program terminates on reaching the end of main method. Let us consider a program simple program as shown here. Okay, there are, as we know that only there are two main essential things for a Java program to get executed. They are the main class declaration and main method declaration and definitions. Now let us understand a simple program. A class is declared by using the keyword class and followed by a tag name. Tag name is nothing but the name of the class. Here I have chosen the class name simple. Now let's define the class simple. while defining the class, I am including the main method, which is public static void main. Thus, this class is the main method class. Now, after declaring the main method, I am defining it. I am just printing out a simple statement, that is a simple Java program, and I am using a method name system.out.println, which prints the output to the console. After writing the statement, I am finishing my declaration and definition of main method. Later I am finishing the declaration and definition of my class. After executing the program, the output will be a simple Java program which prints to your console. That's it for today's session, guys. Let's meet again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and follow and message me on Instagram for more updates and detailed notes. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.